Do you ever feel like a plastic bag? Drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards when you're caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under streets but no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you? 'Cause there's a spark in you. You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night, like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make them go on, as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, shoot a firework. Make them go on, you're gonna leave them falling down. You don't have to feel like a waste of space. You're original, cannot be replaced. If you only knew what the future holds after a hurricane, maybe maybe a reason why all the doors are closed, so you could open one that leads you to the perfect road. Like a lightning bolt, your heart will glow when it's time to go.